Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm discussing my expertise in Excel and the services that I'm providing in Excel. So if you are looking to hire Excel experts near New York, so I will be a valuable asset for you in terms of providing Excel services, creating Excel templates, and formula customizations and automating your reports as well as your custom solutions. So if you have custom requirements, then I can provide you the custom solutions in Excel and Google Sheets as well. So this is my profile summary. So basically, I am 7 years of experience in Excel and Google Sheets, and I have just completed 500 projects. So I am also working on different sites, and this is my profile. So apart from that, I'm also creating fillable PDF forms and of course PowerPoint designs. So if you want to utilize my skills, so you can just reach me out uh, right now. So this is my profile, and I have around 5-star ratings with 100% project completion rates. And of course, this is my services that I'm currently providing. If you are looking for Excel, Google Sheets, as well as PDF and Power BI solutions, so I will be most helpful for you. And in terms of payments and cost discussions about my hourly rates or the project cost. So once I discuss your project details and the complexity and the timeline that would be required, so I will be deciding the cost then. And moreover, we can discuss more on that once we connect each other. And so I will be providing my contact details. And of course, once we set up a meeting or we discuss over phone, and then we can just you can make the payment once you get the final delivery of the work. So I will not charge you anything beforehand. uh, so this is a free first you can contact the how this is how I work. So you can just share with me the requirements and the files associated with your project, and then we can discuss more on that. After then, we can discuss the cost associated with this cost and timeline associated with that project. And then, of course, absolutely, once I share you the files, we can discuss over the follow-ups over WhatsApp or maybe Zoom. We can set up the Zoom meetings. And once you, happy with the work, then you can just release the payment. So we can discuss more on this once I get the requirements ready. So this is all of my services. And of course, this is how the project is starting. So we can just make the initial requirements, then we can set up a Zoom meeting or Google Meet. Then we can discuss about the timeline and cost. Then of course, follow-ups. So we can take the follow-ups of the projects. And then after the project completion, of course, you send the payment through PayPal or some other convenient method which you like. So this is how I usually work, and this is my contact details. So this is my mobile number. You can, of course, I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. So no need to write it down, but it's just only for the displaying purpose. You can just copy my phone number or my email address from the description part of this video, and happy to see you once we get collaborated for your projects. So happy have a good great day ahead, and wonderful day, and we'll definitely talk soon. So take care now and have a great day. Bye.